All right, ready to dive deep into car financing. We're going to help you get that sweet ride without emptying your bank account.
It's a jungle out there.
It is. And this article we found, car financing options, it's like our roadmap. Loans, hire purchase, PCP. We're breaking it all down.
No jargon allowed.
Exactly. Okay, imagine this. 3 friends, same car, but totally different budgets and goals. Like Liam, he's our practical guy. Wants to own the car outright, no fuss.
Yeah, classic loan kind of guy. Borrows the money, pays it back over time, with interest, of course. End of the day, car's all his.
Boom. No surprises, just like, a mortgage, but for your car.
Exactly. Now, Olivia, she's all about that new car smell. Every few years, gotta upgrade.
She's thinking higher purchase,
Yeah.
right? Like paying rent, but eventually you own the place.
You got it. HP, regular payments, and once that last one hits, car's hers. Now, no Noah. He's all about those low monthly payments. PCP has his attention. But that balloon payment at the end, head scratcher.
Oh, PCP, yeah. Always throws me off, too. Sounds almost too good to be true. What's the catch with that balloon payment?
Okay, so picture this. It all revolves around this thing called the Guaranteed Future Value, GFV for short.
GTFC, right?
It's basically a prediction of what your car will be worth a few years down the line, like mileage, wear and tear, all that jazz.
So the car company's like, we think it'll be worth this much in 3 years. If you want to keep it, you got to pay us the difference.
Bingo. Let's say Noah's car, $30,000. They predict the GFV after 3 years is $18,000.
Okay.
His balloon payment, $12,000 if he wants to own it outright.
Got it. But what if, after those 3 years, the car's only worth $15,000? Life happens, right? Dings, scratches.
Oh. There's the risk with PCP. If the car's actual value dips below that predicted GFV, you're on the hook for the difference. In Noah's case, an extra $3,000 to keep it.
Whoa. So it's kind of a gamble, but what if his car's in great shape, worth more than that GFV? Bonus cash.
Not exactly a bonus, but let's say it's worth $20,000. He could return the car, pay the agreed upon balloon payment, and use that extra $2,000 towards a new PCP deal on a newer car.
Oh, so like a trade-up loop.
You got it. But, big but, gotta emphasize that's not guaranteed. Depends on the market value when that time comes.
Okay, so Liam loves his loans, Olivia's all about that HP life, and Noah's test driving the PCP waters.
Each with their own paths, shaped by what they need the car for and what they can afford.
And we're just getting started. We've got mileage limits, credit scores, the art of negotiation itself. Lots more to unpack.
Stay tuned, folks. This ride's about to get interesting. It's like picking the right shoes, Marathon runner, sprinter, different needs. Your car financing, it's got to fit your life.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, so we've got Liam, Olivia, and Noah all eyeing the same car. But what else, besides their own situations, should they be thinking about?
All right, so Liam, our lone guy, loves a good road trip, right? Puts on some serious miles. Got to factor that in.
Oh, right. Mileage limits. So even with a loan, got to read that fine print.
Absolutely. Olivia, our HP queen, always upgrading. She needs to think about what that car's going to be worth down the line.
Because she doesn't own it outright till the very end, right?
Yeah.
So if she trades in early.
Could end up owing more than it's worth. Negative equity, no fun.
Oof, yeah. And Noah with his PCP. That predicted future value, that GFE, mileage affects that too, huh?
Peak time goes over the limit. That balloon payment gets a whole lot bigger.
No more spontaneous road trips for him then, unless it's budgeted for. Okay, so no matter which way you lean, gotta know your driving habits.
For sure. Now, another thing, and people forget this all the time, credit score. Liam, good credit, probably gets a better interest rate.
Ah, so even if they choose the same type of financing, it's not equal.
Nope. Lenders, they look at credit score like it tells the future. Higher score, less risk, lower score. Gotta make up for it somehow.
Makes sense from their perspective, I guess. So what can someone do if their credit score's, well, not great, before they even go near a dealership?
Smart move asking that. It's not a lost cause, but get a copy of your credit report. See what's up. Any errors? Time to work on boosting that score before you even think about car shopping.
Financial self-care. Love it.
Exactly. Knowledge is power, right. Interest rates, loan approvals, credit score affects it all.
Okay, so we've got personal stuff, driving habits, credit scores. It's way more than just, can I afford this monthly payment?
Way more. And we haven't even gotten to the fun part yet, negotiation. Sticker price is just the opening act.
Ooh, negotiation tactics.
Yeah.
That's where things get interesting. This article had some juicy tips on that. Hit me with them. All right, bring on the negotiation ninja skills. What's the secret sauce, according to our article?
First up, and Liam's probably already got this, know your interest rates before you even walk into the dealership.
So don't be afraid to shop around beforehand.
Exactly. Get pre-approved for loans from a few different places, banks, credit unions.
Okay.
Having those offers in your back pocket, that's leverage. Dealership might just match it to keep you there.
Ooh, gotta love a little competition. What else did this article say?
Don't let them bundle everything together.
What do you...
The car price, the financing, they'll try to make it one big thing. You got to separate them.
Oh, smart.
Nail down the price of the car first, then you talk financing. Otherwise, it's like,
They're playing three-card Monty with your money.
exactly. You lose track of what's what.
Okay, good to know. Any other, like, sneaky dealership tactics to watch out for?
Oh, they'll try to dazzle you with a low monthly payment.
Right, because that's what everyone focuses on.
But here's the thing. They make it look lower by stretching out the loan, you know?
Ah, so you end up paying more in interest in the long run.
Ding, ding, ding. Don't be afraid to whip out that calculator, you know? See what works for your budget, long term,
It's about being in control, knowing your numbers.
100%. And remember, Olivia, our upgrade queen.
Yeah.
Trade-in values, that's where she can get strategic.
To trade or not to trade? Eternal question.
Right. Do your homework before.
Yeah.
See what your car's actually worth. There are websites for that. And don't just take the dealership's first offer.
Everything's negotiable.
Pretty much.
This has been amazing. Seriously, eye-opening stuff. From understanding these financing options to, like, actually negotiating.
It's empowering, right?
It is. So, final thoughts for everyone listening who's got that new car itch.
Go in prepared, know your budget, your financing options. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better deal you'll get.
Love it. Liam, Olivia, Noah,
Yeah.
whoever you are out there, the right car financing, it's out there. You got this. Thanks for diving deep.